going to want to focus on in discussing MTSS with parents or multi-tiered support systems is helping them understand that MTSS is all about making sure that their student is getting the right level of support for their student's needs. The multi-tiered support systems is really just a fancy way of saying that there are multiple tiers of support. So students have different levels of needs, and that the school is going to capture the different levels of needs within their system. The three levels of needs that people typically talk about when they're looking at multi-tiered support system is high quality classroom instruction, and that takes place with all students. All students participate in that high quality class instruction, and that's why that one's called tier 1. And then from there, if students need more specialized support, then they might go into tier 2 instruction, which often means they have moderate instructional needs, so they need moderate specialized support. That could take place in small groups, or they might need intensive instructional support, which can be called tier 3, and that usually takes place in even smaller groups or even individually. So when you hear those numbers in multi-tiered support systems, it's really just a range from least intensive needs, or tier 1, to most intensive needs, or tier 3. But in all multi-tiered support systems, it's important that we do constant data collection so that we know exactly what's going on with our students, both as a whole system in tier 1 to make sure that our classroom instruction is meeting most of our students' needs, but also making sure that no students who need more specialized supports are falling through the cracks. Another really important thing to emphasize with your parents as you're talking about multi-tiered support systems is to really emphasize that the research on multi-tiered support systems shows that it makes education more equitable, more efficient, and more responsive to individual student needs.